Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can optimize your Squarespace site for SEO. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm currently on one of my pages on my site, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can optimize both for the current page and for the entire site as a whole. Now, for the site, you will need to use the integration with the Google search integration. So I'll be showing you guys how to do that. I don't have a Google Search Console account. However, I'll be showing you guys how you can connect it, and then it's up to you to figure out how to use the actual Google Search Console. Now, to connect everything, you can do it in a couple of ways. The first one is to go into settings. You can go into third-party tools, then go into extensions, and you might find an extension here. But the main thing you're going to want to do is go into connected accounts, click connect account, and connect to the search console. And you can connect to any of the other ones if you want to use those integrations as well. Now you can do that, or you can go into analytics and then go into search keywords, connect it through here, and then set up your search keywords, which will of course edit the keywords that will show your site on the Google search engine. I'm pretty sure it's different for other search engines, but it doesn't really matter. Now for specific pages, you just want to go to the page you want to change, go to the pages menu, then go to the cog next to the page, and then go to SEO. Here you can set up your SEO options for that page. You can set up the SEO title and the description if you want, and that will then help you to actually optimize your SEO. You can also optimize it for specific products. However, that is a bit of a different process. It's very similar to the pages, but you really don't need it. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.